My name is Naomi Blondin. I'm from the Ottawa area. I'm Algonquin from Kitigan-Zibi. My medium, my sort of background in arts is mostly in paintings and visual arts. I do some beadwork, and then in the design world, I'm fairly new, but learning as I go.
Yeah, my name is Destiny Swiderski. I am of Métis descent, Cree and Ukrainian, and I am a designer, an artist. I do installation work, and a public artist.
My name is Barry Potter. I'm Inuk, originally from Nunatsiavut, Labrador, but I've been living in Ottawa for a very long time. And my medium is photography, digital photography.
My name is Marianne Barkas. I'm from the Nimkish band Kwagilt First Nation, which is in Alert Bay, BC. I work in many different mediums. I work primarily in bronze, but also stone, fabric, all kinds of things.
My name's Claire Brocape. I'm Algonquin from Kitigan-Zibi, living in Ottawa. And my medium is mostly digital, but we come together as a sister collective and we do murals and digital art and all sorts of things like that.
My name is Emily Brocape Hoffler, and I am Algonquin from Kitigan-Zibi as well, and I live in the Ottawa area. And I am a mixed media artist. I work with birch bark and beadwork and painting and murals, and we work together.